In this video from Device Doctor, I show you the correct way to remove and reinstall the drum unit and toner cartridge of the printer. This process is explained clearly and step by step.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Follow the instructions shown in this video. The process is very simple. You only need to pay close attention to each step. Turn this lever to the right to unlock the drum unit. We easily remove the drum unit and then place it back into its position. You also need to turn the toner to the right so that you can remove the drum unit. You can clean the drum unit with a soft and clean cloth if it is necessary. In this video from Device Doctor, we showed how to safely remove, clean, and reinstall the drum unit and toner of the Canon imageRUNNER 2425i. By following these simple steps carefully, your printer will work smoothly every time. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and we will respond as quickly as possible.